Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Hootsuite for multi-account social scheduling, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Hootsuite for multi-account social scheduling, start by visiting the Hootsuite website. Log into your Hootsuite account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking the sign up button and following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and locate the My Profile section. Click on the Manage Accounts and Teams option. Here, you will see a button labeled Add Social Account. Click on this button to start adding your social accounts. Select the type of social media account you wish to link, such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Follow the prompts to log in to the selected social media account. You may need to grant Hootsuite permission to manage the account. Repeat this process for each additional social media account you want to add. Once all accounts are linked, return to the dashboard. To schedule your posts, click on the Composer button located at the top of the screen. Select which social media accounts you want to schedule content for. Compose your message and add any images or links as desired. Set the desired date and time for your post using the scheduling feature. Then click Schedule to confirm your post. To confirm that your posts are scheduled successfully, navigate to the Scheduling section on the dashboard. You will see a timeline of all your upcoming posts across multiple accounts. Monitor your scheduled posts regularly to ensure they appear as planned. This process allows you to manage multiple social media accounts seamlessly from one platform. With Hootsuite, you can streamline your social media strategy and maintain consistent engagement across all your accounts. Explore the analytics features to track the performance of your posts. This information will help you refine your social media strategy over time. Now, you're ready to maximize your social media presence with Hootsuite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.